What's up, guys? Today we are gonna make the minestrone soup. Classic Italian. You need olive oil for that. You need a big glass of red wine. For the pasta dough, you need a 90 gram of whole wheat flour with 1 egg. If you didn't have your handmade, take a cube of veg stock, 2 branches of celery, 100 gram of red beans, for sure 2 cloves of garlic and 2 yellow onions. You need 5 marvelous beautiful tomatoes, 3 carrots, 1 big hand of spinach, 120 gram of tomato paste, dried basil, dried oregano, and obviously never forget salt and pepper. Alright, oh god. For the dough, just make a little volcano at the middle of your flour before to add your egg and start to mix it with a fork gently. Soup. You know, here I'm in the north of Europe, in Finland. We are at the beginning of May. Some days it's pretty hot. We go outside in t-shirt and sometimes it's freaking cold. So yeah, make a soup sometimes good. It warm your heart and your soul. So here we go. Make your dough gently. You cannot make a perfect dough anyway with the whole wheat flour. For the pasta it's really hard because you know it's the whole grain, so you have many tiny things block the gluten, the chain, so you will have something not really soft and chewy like we search to have normally for a dough. But anyway, it's a little bit more healthy and it will be really tasty, at least. That's the more important. You can add some water, like me, if the hair is too dry. Put some water, a few drops around your dough before to put that in a film. So you need a sharp knife, always sharp knife when you cut anything, especially if you cut some hard things, like right now for example we have the carrots, and the carrots are hard if your sharp is not nice. If your knife is not sharp, it will be not good enough. So just cut everything gently. If you don't have the habit, if you have the habit, do it fast. And take a bean on the table. You know, I forgot it, and important to have a bean on your table always. It helps and it permits to gain sometimes. And if you don't know how to cut really good, you have to improve your knife skills. Very important to improve your knife skills, mates. So here we are, cut. Yeah, the celery is very important in many dishes in Western Europe. I mean now kind of everywhere, but it's really tasty. It helps every dish to be more tasty. The celery is very good. So when you cut anything, if you can, put your thumb on the back edge and remove your front finger gently. Put the edge of the knife on your knuckle and just go pap. Yeah, multicolor carrots it's better. More color you have, more different vitamin you have. So purple, carrots, orange one, yellow one. You have many different kind of. And in every veg it's like that. Every color contains different kind of vitamin or micronutrient. Even if it's the same, like 2 carrots, it's still carrot, but if the color is different, the properties are different. Like for tomato too, everything's like that with the veg. So the diversity, it's very important. So you have 1 plate with your onion, 1 plate with celery, carrot, clove, garlic, clove. So take a 3rd plate and you will pour your beans and cut your tomatoes in. Hop, start to cook. Olive oil, generously, a little bit at the beginning, more olive oil on top. Salt is very important to put salt, especially when you want to make onion or garlic, like when you want sweat or when you want caramelize it. Very, very, very important to don't forget to put salt. Alright, so you need to wait a little bit and add all the hard veg. Put more olive oil. Olive oil, yeah, for an Italian dish, it's really, really normal. But at least we don't really know if it's Italian or if it's from the Italian area in Switzerland. It's not a fight, but it's kind of a little argue, like who created the minestrone soup? The Switzerland Italian area or the Italian ones? We don't know still. But anyway, it's a very generous and rich soup, so it make everyone okay. No need to argue for to know where it's come from. The most important is we know where this soup go, in your belly. So after to cooked everything on the pan and help to level up the taste, you put that in a pot with your red wine. Not too long, 5 minutes, and you stop after you make the dough. I'm not a purist, so I use a pasta machine. Anyway, with the whole wheat flour, it don't change really anything, because the purists prefer do it by handmade. But the machine help a lot. So put your dough in your pasta machine if you have, and if you don't, just do it by hand, old school one. It work well enough also. It's not the point. You don't need the machine. You don't need any machine for anything, at least. Alright. So just cut the pasta. If you have time in front of you, if you want to make any special shapes, like just do it. Personally, I just wanted to do it fast as I can, as fast as possible. So I just cut it like that. Very simple shape. It will go in the soup anyway. The most important is the taste. Alright, that's the rule number 1 when you cook anything. The taste. The rule number 2 is the taste. The rule number 3 is the taste. Taste, taste, taste. The most important thing you can. Just mix it well with a little bit more flour. Like this, it will be not too sticky until you will bring it in the water. Bring back your pot on the fire, add your water, and just mix it for 45 minutes to 1 hour. Just after, put the beans and the tomatoes. Just wait 45 minutes to 1 hour before to put your pasta and your spinach. Time make everything good, like soup, stew. All the grandma's dish are perfect. We love it. Everyone love it. I don't know anyone don't love any stew or good soup with many things inside. That's just insanely delicious. Add your pasta. Add some greens. I decided to put spinach, but if you don't, you can put some other kind of salad like blet. I don't know in English the name of blet. You can search the translation, B-L-E-T-T-E, or mash. It's kind of salad. You can add what you want. Now it's time to heat. A little bit some parsley on top, and it's ready.